uPar administrators working with Google Classrooms and organizational units is now even better and easier than before. Let's have a look. To check it out, head over to universalpar.com and log in with your administrator's license. As we showed you in the dashboard overview video, you can find these tools at the top of the landing page. Let's start with Google Classrooms. Click on that tab. You can see at a glance cards for each Google Classroom associated with your uPar license. It's super easy to view and manage each one. Want to keep things in sync? Toggle on or off auto synchronization for each classroom with a simple click. Need a quick update? Hit those three dots and send an immediate resync request. Just know that it may take Google a little bit of time to respond and complete the update. And if you want to remove an unwanted classroom, just click the three dots on that classroom's card. And then remove classroom. Use caution, however, as this action will remove the classroom for all users. So be sure no one else is using it before you do this. Ready to dive into the data for a specific classroom? Just click View Classroom. You'll get all the awesome functionality of the All Student Summary, but tailored just for that roster of students. Now, for schools using Google organizational units, get ready for some serious power. Your Google Workspace administrator will do a quick initial setup with our documentation. It's fast, easy, and once it's done, you're set for life. Check our support pages for all the simple instructions. Once configured, uPar automatically uses your Google organizational unit structure to roster students for amazing reports. Imagine having OUs for each school and grade level, keeping all your student accounts perfectly organized. On your main reports page, simply click Organizational Units at the top. Your imported OUs will pop right up. The default view is your top-level OU, but you can effortlessly browse to nested lower OUs by clicking their names in the boxes to the right. And if you have a lot of OUs, a handy scroll bar will appear to help you find exactly what you're looking for. This means you can see smaller and smaller groupings of students, perfectly reflecting how your school's Google Workspace has set up your local organizational units. It's ultimate flexibility. And here's the absolute best news. Unlike before, all of our organizational units reporting now shows all of our standard uPar reports and filtering options. That's right. You can drill all the way down to view individual student reports. Get ready to unleash the full power of your student data. So there you have it, uPar administrators. Effortless Google Classroom management and powerful organizational unit reporting all at your fingertips. Dive in and discover the insights. To learn even more about uPar and all its amazing features, be sure to visit everway.com.